Communication strategies and methods. Introduction. Communication facilitates the flow of information in business. The success of any project depends heavily on the clarity and effectiveness of the set organization's communication strategies and methods. Communication strategies are blueprints for communicating with the public, stakeholders, and colleagues. Communication methods ensure everyone knows the correct process and that everything is noticed. So communication matters. It boosts morale, productivity, and teamwork. The process includes giving instruction, modifying regulation, requesting yearly leave, and interacting among the staff. Businesses need clear communication strategy to ensure everyone understands the process and nothing is missed. Two different types of communication. Direct communication, which entails straightforward and unambiguous communication in which information is conveyed openly and without the use of intermediaries, and pivoting communication, which entails modifying and shifting communication messaging or addressing changing conditions or problems. A situation where direct communication is used. So security breach, the company should act quick. Direct communication ensures that accurate information is disseminated properly. All parties should be on the same page during the crisis. So Maritime Robotics faced a severe security breach. In such a case, the company should act quick to mitigate the harm and restore trust. In the situation, direct communication becomes critical. The management team communicates directly with all the stakeholders, the workers, customers, and partners to tell them about the breach, the action taken, and the steps they should take to protect themselves. Situations where pivoting communication applied. Product pivot communication. Effectively convey the strategic shift to internal and external stakeholders. Show the rationale behind the pivot, the potential benefit, and the company's plan to invest in the research, development, and marketing of the healthcare robots. Align the stakeholders with the new direction. So Maritime Robotics began by producing industrial robots for manufacturing processes. However, based on market research and customer input, the business sees an opportunity to shift its product offerings toward healthcare robots, notably those used to help in medical procedures. The organization in this scenario used pivoting communication to convey the strategic move to internal and external stakeholders successfully. Attributes that correlate with pivoting communication strategies. Adaptability, which is changing communication strategies, necessitating adapting to change conditions, feedback, and developing demands. Empathy, which is understanding and acknowledging the viewpoints, emotions, and needs of others, which is essential in pivoting communication. And proactive listening, which goes beyond passive hearing by actively seeking to understand people, clarifying inquiries, and participating in meaningful conversations. Two types of communication methods, email and social media. Both of these platforms are excellent tools for reaching and engaging target audience, communicating with firms and job applicants, and sharing business information. Whether a recipient is next door or 1,000 miles away, an email can be sent and received promptly. Potential and present clients can communicate directly with the brand via social media. Situations where email and social media are used. Sales teams communication during the launch of a new product. The sales team can use the email to provide comprehensive details, specifications, and pricing information to ensure everyone's on the same page. Social media platforms enable the team members to share quick updates, industry news, and relevant articles in real time. Email communication is useful when the sales team should share specific information or updates with various departments inside the firm. When a new product is introduced, the sales team can utilize email to provide complete features, specifications, and pricing information to ensure everyone's on the same page. Attributes that correlate with email. So written email. It allows for written communication, It allows for precise and intentional communication, which reduces the likelihood of miscommunication or misinterpretation. Asynchronous communication. The asynchronous nature of email communication is another feature. It allows employees to react to emails more conveniently, considering various schedules and time zones. Documentation and archiving. Email communication systems provide great documentation and archive feature. Emails serve as a written record of conversations, choices, and agreements that can be referred to later if needed. And that is my presentation.